Minaji? Minaji? Minaj? Minaj? Minaji?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing one of the most common hairstyles that you would do for yourself or for your kids. We're going to be doing single braids, but the difference with this one is we're going to be doing the triangle or diamond shape for the scalp, so that it's going to look like a spider web. So I'm detangling Gabriella's hair at the moment. I'm putting in her hairspray from Shea Moisture, and I'm also using the curl cream and also the shea butter mixed with olive oil. Just sectioning that off. I've already started her hair. I am still trying to figure out how to film the back of her hair, because nowadays she sits still to get her hair done, but she doesn't sit still for me to get my angles properly. So yeah, at this point I've reached the middle of her hair and we're just going to continue doing her hair. In terms of her hair though, I don't know how to explain it. I've noticed that her hair is thick but then thin at the same time. So she's got very fine hair. The strands of her hair is not that thick, and it shows especially at the front of her hair. So when I'm braiding her hair, I make sure that I'm very careful when I come to her edges. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and I will not forget the new subscribers to this channel. Welcome to the family. I hope you guys enjoy the content on this corner of the internet. And yeah, I'm just going to leave it here. It's basically very simple, single braids with a diamond, or shall I say triangle shape. Finished doing the hair now, and I'm just getting Gabriella to pick the colors, beads that she would like in her hair. And this turned out really like Jamaican colors, which was not intended at all, but it was the colors that she picked, so I just tried to basically make it look a style for her. So she picked yellow and green, so that's the beads that we're going to be using in her hair. She loves getting involved in her hair. Even when I'm putting cream or oil in her hair, she would like massage it into her hair now, and I really love the fact that she's getting more and more involved in her hair, and she's loving her hair, loving the Afro hair that's on her head. So yeah, so we're just going to be putting the beads on, and then we'll come back with the finished look. We are now all done with our hair. She didn't allow me to film a good angle with this hair like I was saying earlier, but this is the finished look. I hope you guys like and enjoy, and I'll see you in our next video.